இருக்காரு அவருக்கு தெரியல எங்க போனா என்ன தெரியாதுன்றாரு.
தெரியாது
ஒரு செக்யூரிட்டி இருக்காரு. 4 நாளா உள்ள இருக்க தெரியல அவருக்கு. பாருங்க.
இறங்க பார்க்கலாம். Put the rope inside. Yes. No, hold this side part of the rope. Pull the purusik down. Yes, that's it. That's it. You got the start. No, you don't. Yes, that's it.
3.
Slack. Stand and release. Yes, that's it. You got it. Yeah, got it. You stood on the ground.
Yes.
Slack the purusik. Purusik slack panna.
Yes sir.
எடுத்துக்கோ இன்னும் எடுத்துக்கோ இன்னும் give rope slack don't move slack now take the net put the rope on your left hand side. Yes, correct, that's the right. Now advance. There's water underneath.
Yes sir.
There is water underneath.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Let him come this side. Don't let him come this side.
Leave him.
Let it. Now dig him with your foot.
Leg. Awesome.
Let him go inside. Dig him with your foot, yaar. Just tap him. That's it. Up. Pull up. Come this side. Like that, Santhosh.
Yeah.
Let him go.
Careful. Yeah.